God said, see it differently. See, the thing about it is, when you go through a test, it is not for God to see you. It's for you to see God in the midst of your test. So often we like to tell God that he's faithful and we worship him. But God is saying, can you still see me as the faithful God? Can you still see me as the God that loves you unconditionally? Can you still see me as your source? Even though all hell is breaking through in your life, can you still see me? Can you still call on my name? Can you still trust that I will bring and deliver you through every obstacle that you are going through? Can you still believe that I can perform a miracle in your life? God is saying, I want you to see me. Get outside of yourself, get outside of your emotions, and surrender, because I got your back.